Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your weekly love tarot reading, guys. So for this weekly reading, I'll be picking cards for your general energies, for your career situation, and for your relationship, Cancers. So these are for your general energies, Cancers. These cards are for your relationship, and I'll be picking 3 more cards for your career situation, and I will also be picking 1 card from the oracle guidance. So what we can do in our career situation and in our relationship, so that will help us to deal with our situation in a better way, guys. So let's see what are these cards for your general energies first, Cancers. It's 3 of Wands, Page of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles. So with these cards in your situation, Cancers, you are a really talented person. You have lot of skills and talents, and whatever path you choose for yourself, you are extremely successful. You make use of your skills to go in the right way, uh, make things manifest for you, and you are a really practical person. You are unafraid to take up anything. So you have that courage, strength, and determination in your heart to do anything you want, and you're ready to face any situation, whatever it calls for. So you have that firm, that perseverance, grit to achieve what you want to do, and you are a person who has a firm, what to say, that path, ideals, and goals in life, beliefs. So whatever your situation is, you have that patience and talent, skill, and you ability to move forward, guys. And maybe you are in an important position, guys, Cancers. You may be a team leader in work or someone important in your family, making some very important decisions for everybody, for yourself. And today you have achieved certain things, certain goals. You have reached certain goals, you have achieved certain dreams of yours, and you are still thinking about what you need to do in your future. You are seeing your situation, and uh, you are waiting for the right time to take that right choice. So maybe you may be expecting some uh, changes in your work, maybe some offers or opportunities are coming in your career. So you are just waiting for those opportunities to reach you so you can choose. So you are waiting for something, maybe, guys. So it may be something to do in your career situation or your personal life, guys. And I also see that you are a very reliable person, trustworthy, or this may be your person's energy. They are trustworthy, loyal to you. So maybe if you had some doubts whether they are loyal, these cards are just answering that they are loyal, they can be trusted. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship, guys. We picked 3 cards here. First card, it's King of Cups in reverse. I hope you can see the card here, guys. King of Cups in reverse, Queen of Wands, and 6 of Wands. So in this relationship with this person, You are devoted, you are dedicated to this person, you love them a lot, and you are devoted. But maybe I also see that you do not trust them. You feel that they are not honest, they are not trustworthy. So maybe these doubts or confusions in your connection, it may be because of some information that you got, maybe some gossips or some third hand information you have about them. So these are unfounded. You cannot believe those information, guys. You have to think within yourself. With the previous cards, we got that energy that they are loyal and trustworthy. But they are quite playful, I also see. So maybe this may be a new person you're in connection with. This may be a new love. And they may be much younger to you also, I see, maybe for some of you. So they are not yet in that phase of decision, going for that permanence in any relationship. So they are in this connection for love, to have fun with you, but they are not sure whether you are the person for them, for their life. So they are still thinking and they are still deciding, but they can be trusted, guys. They are trustworthy. So maybe you had doubts because of some gossips you heard about them, but those are not true, guys. So you may get some kind of news today, something proving to you that they are trustworthy and loyal. Maybe some people may come, someone may come and inform you about that. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you. So they may doubt you or you may doubt them. But you may get that understanding over this over time. You will find out that they are loyal and trustworthy, but just that they are not, they may be quite immature. They just want to be playful in love. So they are not quite serious about this connection, but they are loyal to you. They are devoted to you. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. And maybe in this relationship, you would have, you may feel, you may have that understanding with them, love, intimacy. But still, there are certain things that are worrying you. Maybe some misunderstandings are there, some confusions, just like I said, maybe because of the way they behave or way they talk. That may give you that impression that they are interested in someone else and they are not interested in you. So some kind of confusions are there in this connection. So you need to put in efforts constantly if you want to maintain that balanced outlook in this connection. So you have to make efforts, make effort to see them, make effort to meet them, spend time with them. So that way this love may work well for you, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your relationship. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation, guys. We pick 3 cards again. It's 7 of Wands, Page of Wands, and Queen of Pentacles. So with these cards, Cancers, in your career situation, guys, you are facing lot of struggles. You are trying your best, working really hard, and you are working for those you believe in, those goals that you believe in, and those dreams, and you are facing lot of competition. People are quite envious and jealous of you. Maybe there are competing people in your career, your colleagues, or it may be competing businesses. If you are having a business, but you have that strength and courage in your heart to overcome all those difficulties, face any difficulties. You have that strength to handle any situation, and you are in a very advantageous position today, guys. So, whatever troubles you are facing today, you have that advantage for success and greater potential in your career situation, guys. And I also see that you are a very creative person. So whatever your work is, you are really passionate about that. You love your work and you use your creative talents, your skills to the maximum, and you are a very truthful and outspoken person. So whatever decisions that you make or whatever choices that you do, you make it based on what you believe in, and you are not afraid of anything or anyone. So you speak the truth that is in your heart, and action is what is important to you. So you are a person who follows the path strictly. So you put in your 100% efforts in your career situation, guys. So that may again be the reason for you seeing success here. So I see that things are going in a very positive way for you this week, guys, Cancers. So you are a person who is quite responsible. Again, we see that you are in an important position. Maybe you are the team leader or manager, someone who holds a position that comes with great responsibility. And you are warm, generous, kind, compassionate with people you work with, and they come and look up to you for help and support in any situation. So people look up to you as a very kind hearted and compassionate person, guys. So maybe there are certain opposing situations in your career, but whatever the situation is, you are having that advantage for success, and you are working towards that greater potential in your career situation, guys, Cancers. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Cancers. So let's see what is your oracle guidance for y'all, guys. So this is a general guidance. So what we can do do this week, so that will improve our situation, our career situation, and our relationship. So let's see what is the guidance card here, the wisdom guidance. Flexible. So that is the card here, guys. So just like the name on the card, we have to be really flexible if you want success, and if you want things to go progress in a very positive way. So just like a tree planted in the ground, but the branches that can bend even in that strongest hurricane. So even huge buildings will just crash down, but that blade of grass or trees will escape that huge hurricane, guys. So that's same way, when we are supple and flexible, we are when we remain flexible, open to ideas, when we are willing to learn from other people, willing to learn new things, we just, what to say, are moving forward in a positive way in our life, guys. So, the same way in our relationship, we have to be open to new things in this connection, in this love. So, let go of that rigidity that we have. And we should not think that we are the only ones who are right all the time. So sometimes we can come to a happy compromise. So when we go for that happy compromise, we will be able to build a positive relationship. And when we get this card in the reading, guys, it just means that we are in relationship with the person who is not our type. So maybe you have to just let go of your expectations to see what is special about this new person, about this new partner. So if you don't have that expectation, and if you are willing to adapt to them, you will be happy that you have made this choice with them, with this love. You will see things going in a wonderful way, guys. So the same way in our career situation also. Maybe sometimes things may not go as we expect, but we have to relax, we have to open up to new possibilities that may come towards us in our career situation. So universe or God or that divine spirit, whatever you call it, has better plans for us always. So we just have to have that open-mindedness to willing to accept, bend a little in our career situation, then we will see miraculous results, guys. So that is the guidance with this card, guys, Cancers, and that is the reading for this week, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, Cancers. I will see you next week with another reading. Bye, guys.